Hi, we are all heading back to school or college soon, and hopefully we'll have a more normal year. But to help that happen, we are being asked to play our part. We need to take 2 lateral flow tests the week before we go back and report the results online or by calling 119. We can use tests we've got at home, order more online, or collect from a local site. And for now, we need to keep testing through the term, twice weekly, still reporting the results. On face coverings, your school or college will have its own rules, so please follow those. Although for us in Year 7 and above, we all have to keep using them on school or college transport. Vaccines? Please get one if you're offered it. And hand washing? That'll never go away now, just keep doing it. The good news for this term is that we won't need to self-isolate if we are in contact of a confirmed coronavirus case. But we should get a PCR test 2 days and 8 days after and self-isolate immediately if we develop any symptoms. And that's it. Thank you for listening and let's have a good term.